Hi, it's Portia here with Stitch Story, and today I want to share with you all 5 great crochet patterns that I found online that are absolutely free. So I know everyone's staying at home, trying to stay safe, trying to stay healthy, but this is the time where you may be looking for things to do for yourself, start a new project even, or even do with the kids, especially, you know, with homeschooling and different things like that. Why not teach them how to crochet and then lead them right into their first pattern? So let's take a look at these 5 patterns that I found that I think are great for us to do while we're at home right now. So the first one that I found that I thought was absolutely adorable is at onedogwolf.com, and it is the, well, they call it the classic crochet bunny pattern. And of course it's for Easter, so Easter is right around the corner. We're not going to be in this situation forever, but this is just great to celebrate the upcoming holiday. Make it and give it to your favorite little one. Make it in so many different colors. So when I saw this immediately, I loved the texture, and I knew that it had to be homespun. Well, you know, Lion brand homespun, because that's the only yarn I could think of off the top of my head that creates that beautiful texture. So I think this would be a great project to do that you could finish over a couple of days, depending on how fast you crochet. It could even be in one day, and sew the little guy together, well, stuff them sewn together, and it give it to your favorite kid. So I thought this one was just so adorable, so I had to share. Let's move on to the next one. Now this one is the super chunky oval rug, and it's found at prettyprovidence.com. Now the thing that I liked about this particular pattern is that it is something that is practical. So some people make you know, things, you know, from their knitting, from their crocheting, and then it's like, okay, now what am I going to do with this? I created the pattern, but what now? So with this rug, I can tell if you decide to go in around several more times, you can make it bigger. If you decide to decrease the rounds, make it smaller. But it would also be something great to place in the kitchen, you know, right by the sink, right? So when you're washing dishes or filling the dishwasher, you're standing on something cute that you made. So some people say, hey, I don't want to throw something on the floor that I made. Don't look at it like that. Look at it like it's a project that you created with your skills. You use a thicker yarn, heavier yarn, get it done, and it's still something pretty to look at while you are keeping clean, so to speak. Okay, let's move on. The next one that I found is at blog.doris.com, and this is what she calls a simple slouch hat. The reason why I like this pattern is because we are moving into spring, but you still have days like I'm in the Midwest today, it's 30 degrees, but last week it was 65. And because it's crochet, it's made with a thicker yarn, it has holes in it. So even on a cooler day, you can still be warm. But if it's a little bit of a warmer day, say in the 60s, and you just want to throw a hat on, you absolutely can, and you won't be sweating or, you know, like want to snatch it off really quickly. So that's why I thought this would be a great pattern for this time of year. And I also love the color that they used here, silky soft. Cool. Yeah, so check that one out. And then all of these links, you don't have to worry about trying to write it down real fast. I'm going to put the links right below in the description so you can go straight to it. Now the thing I liked about this one, this is called the Breezy Shell Tank, and it's from creationcrochet.com, is that they're calling it a tank top. Now me personally, I wouldn't wear it as a tank top, but I think it would be a great cover up. So of course we're in spring right now, but we got to get ready for the next season, right? So put it right over your bikini, right over your bathing suit, and of course you can make it in however many colors you want to, or your favorite color if you're just making it for yourself. But I think this would be just a great pattern, and I could tell with the way this is more so of a lace, so it would knit, well, I'm sorry, crochet up really quickly. Let's see, is there a lot of parts? Because sometimes it's like front, back, blah, blah, blah. But this is something that's good for beginners, and they have various sizes, extra small all the way to 2X. So pick your size, grab your yarn and hook, and get to going. So yeah, I think this would be a really super cute cover up. Let's see, and last but not least, this is from Crochet Arcade. And again, we're moving into the springtime, and when I think of spring, I think about flowers. So This is the Primrose from this particular designer, and I think this is absolutely gorgeous. This is something that I think once you crochet it up, you could either put it on a refrigerator, so hot glue a magnet to the back of it, and you know, just stick it to your fridge, or embellish something that you make like a scarf or a hat. And even here in the center, why not add a jewel, or why not crochet a bead into it to even further embellish it or give it a little bit more personality, add some bling to it. And again, all of these patterns are really, really easy. So whether or not you're a beginner or you're just picking your hook up again just because you're looking for something to do during this time where we're all at home, this is something that will crochet up really quickly. So that's all I got for you today. If you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, leave them right below in the comment section and I will absolutely respond to you. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to Porcha's Stitch Story. And until next time, peace.